am I going to do in my phone today? I don't know what to do. Oh yeah, bad cases of diarrhea. Hi Dimitri, I'm videotaping right now.
Okay.
Wait, what the heck? There's a roly-poly on the ground right now. What is it? What is that kind of bug? It's on YouTube right now. I don't know what it's doing. I think it's dying. It's just like having a seat. It's dancing. It's dancing. Okay, it's dancing on the ground for some reason.
Really?
It's dancing. It's dancing upside down. It's like, and it's struggling to get back up. It's on YouTube. It just stopped. I don't even know what it's doing. It's weird. I'm gonna crush it with the iPad. Goodbye, cruel world. I just crushed it. Did I crush it? Oh no, I don't know. It looks like a turd now. Well, it's gonna be on YouTube. It does look like a turd. Don't hang up on me.